Fan vad fin bärs alltså. Hey guys, so I got a package to me delivered today, and I've been waiting for this a while now. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna take a knife, the best kitchen knife, and I'm gonna unbox and see what's inside. Well, I know what's inside, but you don't. I hope I'm in for a treat today. I hope it's the package I've been waiting for. Yes, it is. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna put this over here. And you know what? It's an iPhone. The jet black iPhone 7. So, and some accessories, some like stuff for the protection for the screen, and a case. And I also got another package with this inside, another case. Let's open this up. Just look at this box. It's beautiful. Designed by Apple in California. And what's inside this? Okay, instruction manuals, the SIM card pin, and of course some of Apple's famous stickers. What would life be without the Apple stickers in an iPhone? Okay, here we go. Here's the phone. It truly looks like it's made out of one piece. I hope the camera does this justice because it's beautiful. Inside here I got charger, not the American one because I don't live in America. Headphones, and of course the headphone adapter from the lightning cable. I'm not gonna get into this, what I think about it, but yeah. And the regular lightning USB cable. It's really beautiful. And as some of you guys don't know, they removed the physical button here. It's just a touch button now. So and due to the fact that I got the jet black, which is the glossy one, I know that it scratches very easily. And you can see a lot of videos on YouTube regarding this, and that's why I got two different cases to it. I got this together with the phone, and when I ordered it, I didn't know it was like frosty touch to it, and I didn't want like a very thick case to it, because I think it's quite big as it is. I used to have the old iPhone 5S, so I'm used to this size and not this size. So the Plus version was, yeah, it wasn't an option for me. And I got this very, very thin case. And I'm not gonna unbox this because I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not, but I'm gonna open this, so. Okay, it's no tape, it's glued. Oh, violence is the best way. Oh, violence wasn't the best way. Okay, it's very secure packaging on this one. It's childproof. God. Seriously? Oh, I'm gonna take the knife. Oh my god, it's thin. Okay, I wanted a thin case to my phone, and this is amazing. It's really, really thin. What did it say? 0.3 millimeters. Okay. So I think this will go quite nice on the phone here. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already done it. And please leave a comment what you think about the iPhone or these type of unboxing videos. Thank you.